Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Gemini Wallet on your mobile device. To download Gemini Wallet application on your mobile device, first open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Gemini and search. Look for this Gemini Bitcoin XRP and more application from Gemini Trust Company LLC and tap the install button to begin the download process. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. After the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch open the app. And that's how you can easily download Gemini Wallet application for your mobile device. You can now sign up or log into an existing wallet in order to get started. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.